Hey there, math enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of calculus. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand limits. Limits are the foundation of calculus. They help us understand how functions behave as their input approaches a certain value. Step 2. Grasp derivatives. Derivatives measure the rate of change of a function. They are essential for understanding slopes, optimization, and related rates. Step 3. Learn integrals. Integrals are the opposite of derivatives. They help us find the area under a curve, calculate volumes, and solve differential equations. Step 4. Practice problem solving. Calculus problems can be challenging, but with practice, you'll develop the skills to solve them effectively. Step 5. Utilize online resources. There are countless online tutorials, courses, and practice problems available to help you learn calculus. Take advantage of these resources to supplement your learning. Remember, calculus is a rewarding subject that has applications in various fields. With dedication and practice, you'll be able to master the concepts and apply them to real-world problems.